Welcome to Kingston Dodge. We have a 2013 Nissan Sentra, 1.8 liter with cruise control, has air conditioning and a CD player. Me and we'll have a look inside here. Lock the doors. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Start the vehicle for you. Keyless start and keyless entry. Get the volume controls, Bluetooth controls, and the cruise control all on the steering wheel. There's a sunglass holder, lights, CD player, auxiliary jack, USB jack, center console. Opening up the glove box, have a look inside, lots of room in there. See really nice upholstery on the seating. Lots of leg room in this back seat. There's the center console. There's a spot to hook up the child car seats into. Coming in, we'll have a look at the trunk. There's the remote to pop it. Lots of room inside there. Come into Kingston Dodge today and take this 2013 Nissan Sentra for a test drive. Come into Kingston Dodge, 1429 Princess Street.